Hey, Tribal Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to talk about the full-size thermos from THERMOS. We've got both kinds of these thermoses, and when we're out on the trails, when we're out doing a lot of work out in the forest, having the ability to get a hot drink when it's cold outside or cold drink when it's hot outside is essential. The O-rings on these thermoses are high quality. These are a few years old. We just continue to wash them. You got to make sure you take these O-rings off when you clean them. They will definitely harbor bacteria underneath, just like any O-ring will. You have to take the O-rings off when you clean them. And the metal casing, the vacuum tube, has held up phenomenal. There's a couple of dents in them. We're not, we're out there using them. The cup portion I don't typically use because it's plastic inside, especially for hot beverages, even though it's safe to use. I prefer using ceramic with my ceramic cups that I have in the Jeep. But THERMOS makes an outstanding product. Absolutely beefy handle, really tough exterior. Again, we got a little ding in here, but these things, they bounce around all over the place. In the back of toolboxes, back of the Jeep, in the go bags, back of the motorcycle. This is a really, really great thermos. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.